Glimpse is an annual event where students of IIGJ showcase their graduation product designed and manufactured by themselves. This year, Glimpse 2015 is in the 9th year, and I'm glad to say that each year we see excellent pieces of jewelry with improved design and improved product. I congratulate the students of IIGJ and wish Glimpse 2015 a great success.
इस साल IIGJ इंस्टीट्यूट का 9वां वार्षिक ग्लिम्स का फंक्शन है और इसमें ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, वो अपने सोच और विचार इम्प्लीमेंट करके अलग अलग थीम से ज्वेलरी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डिजाइन और ज्वेलरी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करके शोकेस करते हैं, जो हमारी इंडस्ट्री के जेम एंड ज्वेलरी इंडस्ट्री के लिए फ्यूचर के लिए बहुत लाभदायक रहे। इनोवेशंस जो कि अभी की इंडस्ट्री के लिए ज़रूरत है वर्ल्ड से compete करने के लिए, तो मैं सभी स्टूडेंट्स और फैकल्टी के लिए भी शुभकामना, हार्दिक शुभकामना व्यक्त करता हूँ।
Glimpse 2015, an event which is an annual feature of IITJ Mumbai. It is going to display the students' graduating project, which they have worked on day and night in the last 6 months. The knowledge which they have gathered in the 3 years of diploma is all culminating into applying to build in jewelry pieces, which will be showcased in this event. Students have put in their work, students have applied the knowledge learnt from theory to practice, and I'm sure all these displays are going to be unique, going to be different, and will be something which the industry would like to look out for. Most of the students here have enjoyed doing this work, so I wish all the students all the best, very best for their future work, and I'm sure you will all enjoy Glimpse 2015.
The intensive 3-year diploma in jewelry designing and manufacturing technology culminates with a 6-month graduating project. This project is conducted after doing a 6 months internship in the gem jewelry industry. This project is specifically based on certain themes given by the institute to the students.
Glimpse is the project. It's a graduating project where we provide a platform to our passing students to showcase their talent. As we see, this is a final project by the students. According to me, it's not the end of their project. It's a new door for them to enter in the practical world. To make any event successful, you just need a right way.
Exactly, and the experience that they have gathered during the 6 months internship will be put to process during this project. The theme that we have provided is Rene, which means rebirth, and here they are supposed to take inspirations from the culture and the art which is getting extinct, and this culture and art array will be seen in their jewelry. They have tried to keep their jewelry very specific towards the contemporary styling.
Glimpse 2015. Now this will be done by the batch of students, Diploma 9 of IIGJ Mumbai. This is their graduating project, so obviously they have put in a lot of effort into this. As far as manufacturing is concerned, they start off with their CAD designs, with their technical drawings, and then they discuss it with our faculty. We do a brainstorming session, and finally the design starts to take shape, which is very interesting because many of our students think out of the box and they try all kinds of experiments to complete the job. Some of them are good at completing in the given time period. Some of them are a bit slow, but yes, they do the job eventually and they do it nicely. And all I can say is once the job is done, I'm happy to see the gleam of satisfaction in their body language, in their attitude. They have a sense of satisfaction that they have completed a job well done, and that is the biggest satisfaction for me also.
For me, this year's Glimpse project personally has been a very fulfilling project in a way, because this is the first time the diploma class has made their CAD projects by themselves, the CAD files by themselves, and it has been a very interactive project. The good thing about the project was that they have maintained the criteria of weight, of the look, and they have made wearable designs, beautiful designs. They have really improved and carried over the process. And all the best to this class. It's a very hard-working class, and it was a privilege to work with them.